Ayan, so hello guys, another update na naman dito sa ating Soko Cloud Mining Investment. And as of today, magwi-withdraw po tayo today ng ating fund. Okay, so meron po tayo ditong 51.68 no, na pwede nating i-out. So titingnan natin today kung pwede siya nating ma-withdraw as approved ng ating account. So click natin yung sell, then sell all, then sell natin yan. Okay, then dito sa account natin, guys is makikita po natin dito yung ating dollars. Okay, so ang ZBS po natin today is 0. Then ang ating dollars dito is makikita po natin dito sa total assets natin. So we have 40.71. So yung mawi-withdraw po natin today guys is itong 46.68. So, click natin yung withdraw. Then, click po natin dito yung 46, no? Okay, dito sa 46 na yun, guys, ang makukuha po natin dito is 2,357. Ayan, so, enter po natin dito yung password natin. Then, click po natin dito yung withdraw. Ayan, so, as of today, yung naiwan na lang po dito sa balance natin is yung commission balance natin and of course yung ating $0.68. Ayan, so for a proof of withdrawal po ito guys para makita ninyo na paying po yung ating investment. Ayan, so as of today, processing po yung ating $46. Then, dito sa part na to guys is makikita po natin mamaya na successful na po yung ating account. So later is i-update ko kayo dito sa second video natin. Ayan, so hello guys and update naman po tayo dito sa ating 46 na withdraw, no? So we have successful na po yung ating withdrawal. So dito sa part na to guys is i-type lang natin dito yung 46. Then may nakukuha na po tayo dito 2,357. Then nag-update na po yung GCash natin dito kanina na naka-receive po tayo ng ganyang klaseng amount. Okay, so ito guys, yan na yung amount natin na na-receive, no? Yung update ng ating GCash dito. So open muna natin yung GCash natin. Okay, silipin natin dito kung andito nga ba sa transaction natin yung withdraw natin kanina. So, minutes lang guys, no? Yung inantay natin. So, kanina yung balance po natin dito is 6K. So, double check natin. Ayan na siya. Meron na siya ditong 2357. Ayan, 2357. 2357. Ayan, so grabe, lupit talaga ng ganitong klaseng investment guys, no? 2357 ang ating na-release as of today. So, ipunin natin ulit dito guys, no? Mag-ipon ulit tayo dito para sa ating big time na pag-withdraw dito. So, I think makakaipon tayo dito ng 300 plus, no? Para sa withdrawal natin. So, magkano yung 300 plus? Next September 5. For example, dito is mga 380 yung makuha natin. So, meron tayo ditong 25,498 guys. I hope so na makaipon tayo ng ganyang klaseng kalaki. So, yan na muna yung latest update dito guys. Ayan, paying po yung ating Soko Cloud Mining Investment. So, yan lang muna guys and happy earnings everyone.